In this video, we'll guide you through the recommended methods for safely transporting the SP-401S lighting unit, ensuring your equipment remains protected during transit. To properly pack the devices, you will need a flathead screwdriver and 4mm hex key. Review the table of recommended force to ensure the torque is set correctly. Remove the lighting unit from portable mount. Start by releasing the safety latches. Gently remove the lighting unit, being careful not to bend the rear latches. To remove the lighting unit from the permanent mount, use a 4mm hex key to unscrew the 4mm 5x10 screws under the mounting plate. Lift the lighting unit from the mounting plate. To remove the antenna, carefully unscrew it counterclockwise from the connector on top of the lighting unit. Protect the connector against dust or humidity to avoid poor radio reception. Do not remove the antenna gasket on the connector. If the antenna gasket is damaged, replace it with a new one. To do this, refer to the video, SP-401S, How to Replace the Antenna Gasket. Before deactivating the transport fuse, make sure the battery is fully charged. To perform this step, activate emergency mode by pressing the emergency switch located underneath the unit, or turn the lamp on using the controlling device. If your lamp is equipped with a bistable switch, press the switch once to activate emergency mode. If it is equipped with a monostable switch, press it twice to activate emergency mode. After activation, the lamp will illuminate at 100% intensity. Observe the status LED indicator. In two sequences, the status LED indicator will display the first two flashes indicating the type of power supply connected to the lamp. After approximately 2 seconds, the battery status will be displayed. Each green flash represents 10% of battery charge, while each red flash represents 10% of battery discharge. After confirming full charge, you may proceed with deactivating the transport fuse. To deactivate emergency mode, press the emergency switch positioned beneath the unit. If you are using a bistable switch, press it again so it returns to the released position. Then press it 4 times in and 4 times out. When using a monostable emergency switch, press the switch 4 times to deactivate emergency mode. To learn more about the emergency switch, refer to the video, SP-401S, Device Operation via Emergency Switch. Using a flathead screwdriver, unscrew the transportation fuse socket. Apply firm, steady force when unscrewing to avoid damaging the slot of the fuse holder. Then remove the fuse from its holder. Screw the fuse holder back into place without the fuse, using a flathead screwdriver. Apply controlled pressure to avoid damaging the fuse holder. All SP-401S components should be packed in their original boxes or appropriately sized containers. Each item must be securely fastened using foam, bubble wrap, or other soft padding materials to prevent movement and damage. Each SP-401S component should be carefully packed on the pallet, with every individual part placed in its own dedicated box to ensure proper protection during transportation and storage. It is recommended to clearly label the boxes with the contents, for easy accessibility when unpacking. Ensure all equipment is properly stacked on the pallet and securely positioned. Then, tightly wrap the entire load with thick protective film to prevent movement and minimize risk of damage during transport. Whether transported by air or ground, always ensure the equipment is kept in a dry, controlled environment, away from direct sunlight, excessive humidity, or temperature extremes that could compromise its integrity. Detailed information about the SP-401S lamp can be found in the SP-401S Lighting Unit Maintenance Manual and the SP-401S Lighting Unit User's Manual.